Andreas Albrecht, Inspector Reinhardt, Leopoldstadt Police. This is my colleague, Dr. Lieberman. This is your work.
What is this about exactly?
This is your design.
For the opera, the magic flute.
Ah, yes. I'm taking Clara. Hasn't been on in Vienna for years.
Tell me about the pamphlet.
A private commissioner, paid in cash. Wanted something with the classical theme.
And the symbol on the shield.
Specifically asked for it.
Look at the content. Have you read it?
Job is a job. Politics do not interest me.
Consecrate our Earth. It's a call to arms. Rid Vienna of the inferior races.
Commissions are hard to come by. That's why I'm doing this. It is paying for my meals.
5 people have been murdered. Whoever commissioned this work, there's a chance he inspired the killer.
We just need to know who paid for it.
And if I tell you, then I could lose business.
Damn, we're talking about murder. You got in my way and I'll drag you to trial for obstructing justice.
Andreas, what's happening? What's going on?
Just some visitors. Nothing to worry about. Go back to sleep, Mother.
Oscar.
All right. There's an exhibition of my work. The men you want, the men who commissioned this, they will all be there.